Alright guys, first thing to do is get the trains out of the box, because we need to build a track first. Alright guys, so we got a few landmark-ish pieces. We got the N.A.P station, the Vicarstown Bridge, and the tunnel piece. So, I'm just gonna put them all together and figure out what I can do, because, yeah. Alright guys, apologize for the messy time lapse. I kind of knocked over my camera a few times. But, here's the final result. This came out a lot bigger than I thought it did. It looks actually pretty sick, actually. I like the look of this. Now, obviously it's not finished, so let's get this all cleaned up, and we'll get the track set up, and we're ready to go. Alright guys, first engine to test the new track is Gordon. He needs new batteries. Uh-oh. Oh, I put him in the wrong track. Okay, whatever. Yeah.